Literature reviews are tough, and there's so much potential research out there that can be useful to you, but it's difficult to find everything. Database searches provide a great foundation, but you can supplement with some additional emerging tools. Elicit is a research assistant tool that uses generative AI to help you discover, analyze, and synthesize academic literature. It offers several features to accelerate your research process. Start with Find Papers by asking a research question in natural language. Instead of hunting for perfect keywords or subject headings, simply ask what you want to know. It will even offer suggestions to improve your question. Elicit's semantic search works to understand your question and finds relevant papers, presenting them in an interactive table, where you can add custom columns, filter results, and extract specific data points. The Chat with Papers feature allows you to ask clarifying questions, compare methodologies across studies, or request summaries of specific aspects. Chat with up to 4 papers simultaneously on the free plan, or 8 with the paid subscription. For more comprehensive overviews, try Research Reports, which automatically generates detailed reports with citations. Summarize Concepts helps identify common themes across literature, while Upload and Extract lets you analyze PDFs you already have in depth. However, remember that Elicit is AI-powered. While it doesn't make up fake articles from scratch like some other AI, you should carefully examine its evaluation and synthesis of the work. Think of it as a starting point for your research, not the final word. The free version has some limitations, but remains genuinely useful for getting oriented to a topic and iterating on your research questions. Elicit can be a nice supplement to database searching that helps encourage interactive exploration and supports making connections and insights across papers and topics.